Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hopefully you see something you like. But leave a comment. I enjoy reading the comments, and you guys are. And thank you to the new subscribers as well. I really enjoy the comments. You guys are a good bunch of eggs. But I got this helmet for Father's Day, so it's not a review where I can, like some of my other reviews, where I can say, hey, I've had it 5 years and it's great. But I figured I'd make a video because, you know, it is summer, and a lot of us, you know, get on projects and we weld up things. We're not professionals, maybe. I'm not, anyway. And you know, you may be looking for a helmet. This is a Mastercraft. I'll try and find the picture for the model and everything and put that picture up somewhere because I don't have the packaging. But I've gotten about, I would say, 2-3 hours of welding on this thing. Not a lot, you know, that's not a lot. But I just figured I'd make a video because if you are thinking about this helmet, at least I could tell you what it's going to do for you. I can't speak for how long it's going to last. And you know what? If it was the best helmet in the world, these days, you still can't vouch unless you've had it for a long time. But like I said, I didn't have this for long. I like this feature. Everything on this helmet, my old one didn't have. My old one, excuse me, from Princess Auto, that piece of shit. I mean, it only lasted 4 months. It's a 5-hour drive for me to take it in there and everything. So, but it didn't last 3 months, I don't think. But I like the feature here. Turn it on. It's grind. Why I like this is because you don't have to take your helmet off. When you're finished welding, you just flip it up to grind, and you can grind your thing, get ready, whatever, and then just put it back. I usually have it on a 9 shade, so it goes from 9 to 13 shade. I use 9 for MIG. With my eyes, a 10 with MIG, unless I'm outside, I can use a 10, right? But if I'm inside and stuff, seems like I can't see what I'm doing properly on a 10 shade. Stick welding, a 10 inside is fine. I can see no problems what I'm doing. But MIG, usually a 9. So I really love this grind feature. You know, hey, I've never had a helmet. I'm a DIY guy, so I've never had a helmet with all these settings, right? So... But on the inside, you got sensitivity and you got delay. And you can see where you can put the 2 AA, AAA batteries, which I like. The other one didn't have that. No, you couldn't. It was internal. But the sensitivity is a good thing. I really enjoy that because if someone is welding next to you, you can set it so that their flash don't set off your helmet. It don't go black. I really like that. And also, used to get on my nerves with the other helmet. Like I said, no adjustment. It worked when it was working good. It's just no adjustments. You'd be working away and you turn towards the door, you know, and your helmet would go black, and you know, you couldn't. It just got on my nerves, to be honest with you. The delay. Not a big deal for me, I'll be honest. I usually always have it on the longest delay anyway. To me, it's just, it don't matter to me if I'm a 1.5 seconds after I stop welding, you know, before the helmet goes clear. Now, with that said, I did do a little spot welding, and it's good. Like I like I don't do a lot of spot welding normally, but if you know, for spot welding, it's a good feature because you can turn your delay down so that you can spot weld. You know, you stop, you're not welding very long, you stop, your helmet goes clear, so you can get back to welding. It goes clear, get back, so you don't have a too long of a delay. So that's a good feature for that. But normally I just have it on the longest delay anyway guys, if you're thinking about this helmet, I can't see anything wrong with it. And leave a comment. I know I'll give a later on, after I've used this thing quite a bit, I'll give a review on it. But as of now, that's the helmet. Thanks guys.